Look at this. Can you solve it? It's a very simple one. How many valence electrons are contained in the element represented by P3115? How many valence electrons? That is just the question. What is valence electron? Valence electron is the number of electrons at the valence shell. Valence shell. Valence shell is the same thing as last shell of the atom. The last shell. How many electrons on the last shell? That is what the question is saying. Now, P is an element. Whenever you see an element represented with a number up and a number down, know that it is the atom of that element. And the number up is the mass number. Mass number. While the number down is the atomic number. The atomic number here means the number of protons. But remember, the number of protons in the nucleus is equal to the number of electrons revolving around the nucleus. Therefore, atomic number is also number of electrons. Now, we take this P out with the atomic number 15. We are going to draw the shells, the atom of P with its shells. This is the nucleus of the atom. The first shell of every atom, for the first shell of every atom to be stable electronically, it must have two electrons that pair up to balance up to attain stability. And that stability is known as duplet stability. So this first shell must contain two electrons to be balanced, remaining 13 electrons. These 13 electrons will never be in this first shell because the first shell has been electronically stabilized. So we move to the second shell. Apart from the first shell, other shells, for them to attain electronic stability, must contain 8 electrons, not 2, 8. And this 8 will pair up 2. That is 4 pairs for the shell to be electronically stable. Therefore, we begin to pair up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have represented 10 electrons from the 15. So, it now remains 5 electrons. These 5 electrons cannot be here because the shell has attained electronic stability. It is stable now. Therefore, we will create another shell where these 5 will begin to pair up 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The last shell has never attained electronic stability because it's not up to 8. And this last shell is what is called valence shell. Valence shell. And the number of electrons on the valence shell is called the valence electrons. So when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it now shows that the valence electrons are 5 in number. And if you check the options, it is there, 5. And that is the answer. I hope you got value. If you did, click on the plus. If you are new in this channel, subscribe to my YouTube and follow my channel for more videos.